Now, normally, a product like this would be our top story, but of course it still is. I would say we're doing 4 top stories today on the show. This is the ASUS ZenBook 14. And I think the big deal in this really is all about this. See the screen here? And then can you see this right here? This is where I think is a game changer. Now, ASUS has been pushing this dual display for quite a while. They've done various ways and various form factors that they've taken it forward. But I think now they're starting to get it absolutely right. This is a trackpad. It's also a second screen. It's also something that can be a shortcut screen. It's also something where you can actually have a lot of features built in as you're working on a particular app. And I think it is really evolving into the kind where a second screen was a gimmick, looked and felt good, to something that you can actually use and say, I don't know how I was actually able to survive without it. Here's a review of the ZenBook 14.
In a time when our laptop is our sole workstation, having the right hardware to support our grind is very important. These days, majority of laptop users have realized this and are looking for an upgrade, a rather serious one. So when ASUS introduced their revised ZenBook 14, which happens to be a serious laptop with some serious upgrade, we were seriously interested. So does this revised ZenBook live up to its legacy? Let's find out. The latest laptop by ASUS does carry forward the design language we saw last year. It's ultra light at just 1.13 kgs and the pine grey color looks gorgeous. On the connectivity front, ASUS has kept up with its pedigree and provides us with 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB Type-C ports, a USB port in addition to an HDMI port. We also get to see endangered options like a 3.5mm headphone jack and a memory card reader. Now, the ZenBook 14 has always got good marks when it comes to its display, but this year, ASUS decided to add a little zing to this panel. This 14-inch display is now touch capacitive with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. And yes, it's super responsive. Swipe, type or tap not once did the display give up on us. But that's just one part of it. Watching content on it is a different ballgame. With the resolution of 2160 by 1080 pixels, this is one of the most color accurate displays we have seen on an ASUS laptop. But this display is not the only one on board. There is a secondary display on the ZenBook 14 integrated into the trackpad itself. Replacing the previous number pad, this touch capacitive panel can also switch its outlay since it can act like a usual trackpad as well. The variant with us is powered by Intel Core i7 processor with Turbo Boost. A processor with a good reputation for performance, this chipset was indeed a perfect fit for a machine of this size. We daily drove the ZenBook 14 for a week with our activities ranging from writing emails to making PPTs and creating Excels. Throughout this period, the ZenBook 14 didn't give us a chance to complain. There were no lags or overheating and the performance was uniform. The bundled NVIDIA MX450 chipset is not a massive GPU, but yes, it's decent when it comes to light gaming. There is 1 TB of storage space on this laptop, which is ample given it's an enterprise machine. Even though there are 2 touch capacitive displays on this laptop, we relied majorly on the backlit keyboard on offer. Since this is not a full-size keyboard, it will take some time adjusting to it. There is a new IR-enabled camera which, combined with the debuting AI noise cancelling technology, makes break-free conversing easier. Talking about the battery optimization on the ZenBook 14, ASUS has done a commendable job. In our week-long testing of the ZenBook 14, we plugged in the laptop just twice. Wrapping up this review, we feel that ASUS ZenBook 14 is a step in the right direction when it comes to innovation in personal computing. It's lightweight, looks good and performs phenomenally well. Starting at Rs 99,900, it sure is an expensive laptop, but you do get a substantial amount of computing power, which makes it a worthy investment.